A is for apple, B is for bear, C is for candle, D is for dolphin, E is for elephant, F is for fish, G is for goat, H is for hat. I is for ice cream, J is for jaguar, K is for kite, L is for lion, M is for monkey,